At Fannin Professional Services, the customer always comes first. We take pride in offering the highest quality products and service in the industry. Here's what some of our customers had to say. Kunish says, "The team was professional and very conscientious. We have huge windows that are very high up, and they did an excellent job cleaning them. I highly recommend Fannin Professional Services and window cleaning." Cheryl Speaker says, "Fannin Professional Services cleaned our gutters and did a great job. It was easy to schedule and they were on time, actually early. Invoicing and payment online was convenient too. I'll hire them again. We use industry standard washing equipment and offer a $1 million insurance policy to protect your assets. Call for a fast and free quote today."